Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Eyescream Beauty. Now, if you're not familiar, Eyescream Beauty is a beauty subscription box where it mainly focuses on makeup. They have two plans available. The first one is a bag, and that is $12.50 a month. You get 3 to 5 items in that bag, and the box is $25, and you get 5 to 7 items in the box. These are all full size. There's no sample sizes or deluxe samples. There's no sample sizes, and there's no deluxe samples. You also get a palette in every bag or every box each month. So let's go ahead and see what I have for February 2022. So that's what it looks like when you first open it up. Now, these peanuts are the biodegradable ones. You can get these wet and they pretty much disintegrate. So that's great. It's like potato starch or something, I think. So let's get all these peanuts off so we can get a better look. Here we go. That's what's inside. Okay. So let's go ahead and see what we got. So here is my card. It is for February, Be My Valentine, and it shows the items that we received and how much they retail for. So the first thing I am pulling out is by Basic Beauty. It is a lip kit, a gel liner, and matte liquid lipstick. It is a basic tip. Line the lips using our Basic Beauty gel liner, and then fill in lips with our Basic Beauty matte liquid lipstick. And let's see, is there a shade? I don't see a shade. Vodka Soda is probably the shade. And this is $25. Okay, so here is our gel liner and the lip. So I can see what's happening here. You have a darker outside and a lighter inside. I really like that color. That is right up my alley. And here is the, there you go. Yeah, I like that. I like the colors. I think the colors will work really well for me. Yes, that'll definitely work for me. So I'm happy with that. The next thing I am pulling out is by Pure Cosmetics. It is the 3-dimensional fiber lash mascara. Ooh, a fiber lash mascara. Achieving lust-worthy long lashes has never been easier than this 3-step lash extension system. Pure Cosmetics Fiber Lash Mascara with Wide Lash Serum will quickly become your new favorite product for lashes. The system's lengthening mascara base creates voluminous, natural lashes. Application is simple. Just follow the steps below. That's what the packaging looks like. Now, I have to say, I mean, I have looked it up before, and there are articles that say that the fibers don't hurt your eyes if they get into your eyes. Basically, the fibers are just an additional ingredient in mascara that does make your lashes look more voluminous and lengthening. But I have heard reports of, that's pretty, of the fibers getting into your eyes. And I don't think I would want that. So let's go ahead, let's see. The This retails for $30. This is very light, but it's pretty though. This is the lash lengthening fibers part. Oh yeah, look at that. Can you see all the fibers on there? That's just fibers. That is bizarre. I don't want to use it. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or put it in a giveaway. I'm nervous about the fibers getting into my eyes. Here is the other part. So that looks like a normal mascara part. That's the normal part. And then you brush the fibers over it to jazz it up that much more. But I'm still not sure about this. If you like fiber mascara, I want you to let me know in the comments down below. Tell me if you've had any fibers get into your eyes. But yeah, that's a very pretty kit. And if you like fiber mascara, that's a really nice kit. Yeah. But I'm still not sure. The next thing by Hikari, it's an eye crayon in the color Luxe. And this retails for $17. Very simple packaging. Here we go. That's big. That's a large crayon, but I imagine you could use that as a base. Yeah, or even a concealer. You could probably use that as a concealer too. So yeah, little crayon. And then we have this shiny guy. Ooh, the box is so pretty. This is by Eloise. It is the Hollywood Glow Pressed Highlighter in Flashing Lights. And this, the highlight, oh my God, $47. So once you get it out of the box, wow, okay. Ooh, look how pretty that is. Oh, wow. Okay, there is a mirror on it. It's like a champagne, which I like that. Very, very pretty. 47 bucks. Wow. It's taking just a little bit of effort to buff that out or smooth it out, but yeah, there you go. Nice. The last thing I am pulling out is our palette. Ooh, by Maybe, Take Me to Paris. And this is the Maybe Cosmetics Take Me to Paris palette for $23. The inside looks the same. It does have a mirror, and Here are your colors. Very pretty. I like those. I can definitely use those. I actually have been wanting it. I've been looking through my palettes looking for a really light pink. And there it is. So I'm good to go on that. So for $25, a palette, a highlighter palette, an eye crayon, fiber mascara, and a lip set. There's a whole look right here. All for $25. You really can't beat that. You can't. And it was all makeup, which is another bonus. So if that's what you're looking for, something that has just makeup, Eyescream might be what you're looking for. I am so glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.